hither.
The other one might be too big.
There you go.
Dude, look at my ass. It's like a thong. I'm just gonna free ball it.
It'll make you feel better. It's so good once it hits the lips. And then I will get you your blanket.
It's so funny. You know when we like look at people's faces and everything's like pack up. Like literally it was like 4 in a row and then someone was I miss my mother and then it was like 6 more. I don't do it.
No, leave that in your hair in case you tear off again.
Got me out of this place. For building houses out of matchsticks, and when things get too hard, you've got me to blame for every fight that breaks out in every lover's name. Don't forget
The night's only gonna get better for her.
Oh, is it an athlete party?
Victoria is the soccer apartment.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, no, it's the soccer apartment and the DJ.
Oh.
keeps me wanting saw me out yesterday's old news phrases left on paper, black and bleeding through the pages where we made our history. Call me foolish, I feel hopeless.
You know, I can't do it. It's just like, it sounds like an Asian with a British accent.
Can you like try it out?
Jared, oh my god. Owen does that. I was like looking down. I was like, Jared, no, I can't do this. Oh wait, but no, wait, Jared, 5 seconds later, like, wait, but Jared's like, I don't know. Push it in. Not that. I don't want to do any of the water.
In your mouth?
You have to. Cheers.
I've come to know him here. He's both cultivated and very intelligent. He's a man who will go far. Levin frowned and kept silent. You asshole.